If you're bored while you wait for your 6 max tournament or cash game to start or open up, you can open up Excel on your work laptop and practice your pre-flop game. You're the yellow highlight here in this position, and you run through different opening scenarios, pressing either fold, call, or raise, depending on the situation. This program supports uh, an opening scenario or a raise from an earlier position, so you could test your 3-bet range or call range. And then at the bottom here, it tells you on the results if you made the right decision or not. And this program simply reads colors from the different pages, so you can actually change the map and program your own correct answers depending on how tight or loose you want to play in certain spots. Um, yeah, and it also just keeps handing you randomly generated hands to practice with. And I've shared this file through Google Drive. You do need to enable macros to run it on your laptop, so double check that the file hasn't been replaced on Google Drive when you download it. And I think this is a cool community project, so if you're watching this and happen to be really bored, you can add on more players to the program or uh, add 4-bet situation support. Yeah, thanks for watching.